Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the topic metal joining processes. In this section, we are going to discuss some important points in the form of question and answers and some previously asked questions for you. First of all, what is meant by mechanical fastening? Mechanical fastening refers to the use of a part or parts that physically limit some or all the degrees of freedom of a part with respect to another. For example, screws, nuts and bolts, rivets, staples, seams, clips, snap fasteners. Next question. What are the advantages of welded construction when compared with casting or pressed units? The welded constructions have the advantage of flexibility, stronger but lighter, stiffer, less cracking, less investment in equipments, freedom of design, resistance to shock. Then, what is fusion welding? In fusion welding, the joints is made by melting the metal in the interface so that upon solidification, the components are used or joined together. Give some examples of methods of generating heat for welding processes. Answer. Electric car, burning of gas mixture like oxygen and acetylene. Electric resistance, ignition of finely powdered aluminum and iron oxide. It is used in thermite welding. The next question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of riveting in metal joining methods? Its advantages are it is inexpensive, easy to assemble, strong, lightweight and durable, can be joined many kinds of materials of different thicknesses. The disadvantages of riveting is as follows: inability to disassemble, and rivets are not airtight unless sealant is used. Next question. What are the two main types of riveted joints? Lap joint and butt joint are two main types of riveted joints. Why the most nuts are made in the shape of six-headed? Because six head give good granularity of angles for a good tool to approach for tightening. Next question. What is a stud? Stud is nothing but a round metal bar screwed at both ends or fully screwed. It is a screw without head. What is a set screw? A set screw is generally used to secure one object within another. The set screw passes through a threaded hole in the outer object and is tightened against the inner object to prevent it from moving relative to outer object. What is main function of washers? Washers are mainly used to distribute the load of the threaded fasteners. Which type of washers are used as locking devices for nuts? Spring washers are used. Another important question. What is a grub screw? A small headless screw having a slot cut, a screwdriver or socket for hexagonal key and used to secure a sliding component in a determined position is a grub screw. How related the melting point of a filler metal compared to workpiece in soldering? In soldering, the melting point of filler metal is lower than the workpiece. Therefore, the soldering does not involve the melting of workpieces. A solder is 50/50 type. What does it mean? It contains 50% tin and 50% lead. Its melting point is approximately 220 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between brazing and soldering? Brazing is similar to soldering but uses fillers of higher temperature, 450 to 800 degrees Celsius. It gives better strength than soldering. Next question. Seaming is a metal working process. What is its use? It is used to create seam along an edge of sheet metal. What is hemming? What is its purpose? Hemming is a sheet metal process where the edge is rolled over onto itself. It stiffens the sheet of the metal and avoids sharp edges. It also prevents damage and wear of edges. What is adhesive bonding? Adhesive bonding is the process for joining parts using bonding chemicals that are adhesives. It is used for joining polymers as well as polymers to metals, metals to metals, and ceramics to metals. Let us discuss some multiple choice questions. Which one of the following methods of welding is a welding with pressure method? Options: resistance welding, arc welding, gas welding, and thermite welding. The correct answer is resistance welding. Next question. Which one of the following methods of welding is a fusion welding method? Options are forge welding, stud welding, arc welding, and resistance welding. The correct answer is arc welding. Arc welding is a fusion welding process. Next question. Which one of the following is temporary joint? Options are welded joint, riveted joint, soldered joint, and press fit joint. The correct answer is press fit joint. Next question. A round metal bar screwed at both ends or fully screwed is called options cotter, collar, stud, circlip. The correct answer is the studs. Next question. It is a small headless screw having a slot cut for screwdriver or socket for a hexagonal key and used to secure sliding components in a determined position. What is it? Options: set screw, grub screw, Phillips screw, and pan screw. The answer is grub screw. Next question. The end opposite to the head of a rivet is called options: tail, shank, backup, rear. The correct answer is tail. Next question is the clearance taken into consideration while riveting, because by pressing application the diameter of the rivet is somewhat increased. If the diameter of rivet is 12 to 24 mm, then the clearance is. The correct answer is 1.5 millimeter. Next question. The most commonly used type of rivet head is options: snap head, countersunk head, conical head, and flat head. The correct answer is snap head. It is most commonly used rivet head. Next question is when the surface of the plate in which the rivet is to be inserted is required to be free from the projecting head of rivet. The type of rivet head is used is options: snap head, flat head, conical head, and countersunk head. The correct answer is countersunk head.